What's up? What's going on, guys? It's your boy, Flint Hollywood, professional entrepreneur and fuckman, back here with another video. Today I'll be talking about a powerful new fat-burning supplement. A supplement that will help you maximize your potentialism and masculate your toxicity levels. Are you over 40? Are you overweight? Are you a limp dick little pussy? Even worse, are you a woman? I bet you are. What you need is the raw energy of a dog, a rabid junkyard dog. Well, prepare to get... Now, goddammit. Prepare to get raw, dog!